third grade, we're learning all about multiplication and division. So by this point, we've learned all of the different ways we can multiply. We know we can use number lines, we could use equal groups, arrays, repeated addition, or we could simply memorize our facts, which we're still working on. But now it's our turn to take over division. So multiplication and division are related in the same way that addition and subtraction are related, in which they're inverses of one another. So we talk all about relationships and fact families and how things are connected in math. Now we're putting it into action. So we're using multiplication to divide. This is what we learned today in class. So it's asking us to solve some numbers. Now this could look a little scary and daunting, but there's a little trick. We can rewrite this problem to look something like this. 1 times what equals, let's bring this answer right here, 5. So I say 1 times what equals 5. I know that 1 times 5 equals 5. So I'm going to put that 5 there. I could just bring this right up. That means 5 divided by 1 equals 5. Okay, let's do it again. I'm going to rewrite it. 5 times what equals, my answer right here, 5. 5 times what equals 5? Think about it. 5 times 1 equals 5. So I can bring this right up here, and I know because of fact families and inverses that 5 times 1 equals 5. So I know that 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Here we have another problem. I'm going to rewrite it like a fact family. 5 times what equals 0? Anything times 0 equals 0. So I know that 5 times 0 is going to end up equaling 0. As a result, 0 divided by 5 equals 0. Now the way we write problems is super, super important. Notice how I'm keeping these directly in line, and I like to do arrows to show my work. That's super important because look here, if I do 0 times what equals 5, I have to really think about it. Nothing times 0 is going to give us 5 because 0 times anything is 0. So what do you put here? You're just going to put nothing. As we end up mastering this, we're going to call it undefined. And we know this because of the 0 property of multiplication. So take a look at that. I know this seems new and scary. We're going to work super hard. We're going to master it.